In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two products in Shopify. We'll walk through using the free Shopify Bundles app to create a bundle that combines existing products into a single offer. This is really useful if you want to sell a set, a kit, or a special combo without manually recreating everything from scratch. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of the screen, you'll see the main search bar. Click into that search field. From the drop-down options that appear under the search bar, choose Apps. In the search box that appears, type Shopify Bundles and press Enter on your keyboard. Shopify will take you to the App Store results page. Look for the official Shopify Bundles app in the search results. Once you've found it, click to open it, then select Install and follow all of the installation prompts on screen. Just keep confirming until the process is complete. When the app has finished installing, you'll automatically be taken to the Shopify Bundles dashboard. From here, click the button that says Create Bundle. This is where you'll set up the combined product. Start by adding a clear, descriptive title for the bundle, something your customers will instantly understand when they see it in your store. Next, click Select Products. A pop-up window will open, showing all of the products in your store. Browse or search for the products you want to include in the bundle, and click to select each one you want to add. When you're done choosing your products, go to the bottom right of the pop-up and click Select. You'll now see a list of the products included in your bundle, along with the quantity of each item per bundle. If any of those products have variants, such as size or color, you'll see which variants are currently included. If there are variants you don't want to offer in this bundle, simply uncheck those options. Once everything looks right, click Save and Continue. The page may take a little while to reload, so give it a moment. After it reloads, you'll be taken to a familiar product editor page. Here you can adjust the bundle details just like any other product, update the title if needed, write a clear description, add or reorder media like images, and review any variants and their prices. By default, the price is often set to the combined total of the individual products, but you can still edit it to apply a discount or adjust your pricing strategy. Finally, if you're ready for the bundle to appear in your store, look to the top right and set the product status to active. Then, at the top of the page near the search bar, click Save. Your new combined product bundle is now live and ready for customers to purchase.